Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and I got my February Simply Earth recipe box, and this could not have come at a better time because I've already seen what's in here. I haven't looked at mine, but I've watched their video and seen what's in here, and it is a lot of cold fighting goodness. So the very first thing that you get is some menthol crystals. Yum. I'm sure those will help with my congestion. Your box is getting better, and it gives you some information about that. Let's see. Okay, it says on here, and I'm supposing this is for everybody that signs up for the recipe box. You're going to get a big bonus box every 6th box starting in March. So in March, every 6th box you'll get a bonus box. Each bonus box will have a carrier oil, a hard oil like shea butter, beeswax, and containers to get you through the next 6 months. That is fantastic. You will still get your regular box each month with 4 oils, recipe cards, and fun extras. That is wonderful. I'm looking forward to that. You got labels for all the oils that you will mix up, and then they give you the recipe cards for all of these oils. You have a germ cleaner. That's fantastic. Tells you exactly what to put in the spray bottle to do your germ cleaner. You have a Warts Be Gone roll-on, and it tells you exactly how many drops of everything to put on there. I absolutely love this. As I told you guys before, I have been using essential oils for years, but I have never got any recipes. I always had to look it up online or Google it or try to find something how to mix everything together in order for it to work. This I really love. It takes all the guesswork out of it. The Breathe Inhaler, oh my goodness, I will be using that one as soon as I get off this video. And it tells you exactly how to do that. 4 easy steps. The Vapor Chest Rub, I'm going to be using that one too. Sore Muscles Rub On or Roll On, that's fantastic for everybody who started back working out and that kind of thing. That'd be good to use. Shower Disc Pick Me Up. Oh wow, you can use this one in the shower. That's fantastic. And then it continues on the back. So let's look at the oils that we got. We got oregano, and they come in this nice box where they don't get broken. I did get some oils from another company, and they just put the glass bottles like this, and a couple of them came broken. These are packaged really well. So you get 15 milliliters. This is oregano. I've got lemon. I absolutely love lemon. I use lemon in my water. So we've got lemon. And then the Defender oil. This says Defender, so let's see what this is. So here's what the Defender oil has in it. The ingredients is clove, rosemary, lemon, eucalyptus, and cinnamon essential oils. That is absolutely wonderful. That is some great oils to put together. Topical application, add 2 drops of Defender per teaspoon of carrier oil. So, and then your carrier oils like your coconut oil, that kind of thing. These are 100% pure essential oils. As I've told you before, they're not mixed with anything. They're 100% pure. And then this one is Raven Sorrow. It's what the name of this one is. This is going to be the one that goes in our inhaler, I'm sure. And it tells you, if you look on the bottle right there, you see it says plant parts, the leaf, origin. It tells you where it come from, ingredients, and then the aroma. And another good thing about Simply Earth is for every dime that you spend with them, they give 13% to end human trafficking. And I think that is a wonderful, wonderful thing for them to do. Okay, you get your metal spray bottle to mix everything up in. Here's your coconut oil. This is fractionated coconut oil, so this is pure. It's 100% pure. And you get another little bottle to mix up one of your recipes in. And then you get these roll-on bottles, and they have the metal roll-ons. That makes it very, very safe and secure. So you get 3 of those. That's fantastic. That's what I like too. You don't have to purchase these bottles when you get ready to mix some oils up. They give you enough each month to do all your mixing in. And then here you get 2 of the inhaler off. It says, open up the essential oil inhaler, add 2 drops of Raven Sorrow essential oil onto the cotton insert. So there's a little piece of cotton down in there. It's a little piece of cotton insert. Use as needed to clear up nasal passages. No more than every 2 hours. Re-add Raven Sorrow every month or as needed. But as you see, it's got that little pour tip on there, so I think I might can get it down in there. Ooh. 2 drops. Woo, that'll open your head. Okay, let me wipe the outside of it off. And then shake it up a little bit to get it all mixed on that cotton. And then you just put it on your nostril and breathe in. And that opens up your nasal passages. Then you can always recap it, stick it in your purse, and you can take this with you. So that is really, really good. Alright, that is, then I can also put my label on there. So, Breathe Inhaler, there's that, so I can put my label on. And then this, the menthol crystals, I'm sure you probably use in your bath. Let's see. Yes, the menthol crystals you use in your shower disc pick-me-up. So, alright, that is our essential oils for February. That's our essential oil recipe box. And I wanted to tell you guys that if you use my code, and I'll put it right here on the screen as well as below, my code is Edith Ray Free, all capital letters. If you go over, if you sign up for the recipe box, which is all of this, each month it's something different. Sign up for the recipe box. They will send you a $40 gift card. So that's like getting your first box completely free. And if you don't want to sign up for the recipe box, you can get a free oil just by using my code and picking out what oil that you want. It's an up to a $10 value. So, and on these recipe boxes, you can cancel these at any time you want. Like if I wanted to get one this month and next month I couldn't afford it or didn't want to get one, all I do is just let them know and they cancel my order. I can sign back up the next month if I want to. So you can cancel and sign back up anytime you want. It's not something that you have to, you know, commit to a year's worth or something. So these are absolutely fantastic. I've been using them. I think they have helped me a lot more than my, I hate to say this because my medical doctor is a real good friend of mine, but I think they have helped me more than the antibiotics and all the other stuff that the doctors have given me since I've been sick with all of this. I use my essential oils every day in my diffusers, and every night before I go to bed I use all my essential oils. So I think they have helped me a whole lot more than all the medications that they've tried to poke in me. Alright guys, that is all I have for today. Please go to the link below and check the company out. Even if you don't want to sign up, it doesn't hurt anything to just check them out. And if you're looking for some really good essential oils that are not very expensive at all, they're not as expensive as some of these other companies, and they are 100% pure. They come from the same place as all of these big name brands that are out there do. then go over and check out Simply Earth. I am sure that you'll be happy and satisfied with all that they have. We will talk to you guys later. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Bye-bye.